Hi there! Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Task Priority Matrix Pro, which is designed to help you stay organized, prioritize tasks effectively, and track progress across categories, owners, and overall. This tool is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and you can also find a link in the description below. Before I begin, I wanted to share a couple of disclaimers. This tool is designed specifically for Google Sheets, so it is not compatible with Excel. Secondly, you'll find that some sheets and cell ranges are protected. You'll either see a lock on the tab, or when you click in a cell and you try to change it, you'll get a pop-up like this. It's a warning not to change the data in that cell because it contains important formulas critical to the functionality of the sheet. If you prefer not to have data protections on, you can always remove them on each sheet. Okay, let's get started. The Instructions tab is your quick start guide to understanding how the spreadsheet works. It explains how to set up your categories, manage tasks, and interpret the dashboard and calendar views. If you're ever unsure, this is the first place to check. Next is the Setup tab. Here you can customize your task priorities, rename actions, create categories, list owners, and rename statuses. Simply edit the cells to match your preferences. Remember, these categories will shape how your tasks appear across the dashboard, task manager, and calendar. Now let's look at the dashboard. This is your productivity at a glance. You'll see metrics like task completion rates and visual indicators of your progress. Use this to quickly assess your workload and identify areas needing attention. The graphs update automatically based on your task inputs. These three charts are filterable, allowing you to customize your view by assignee, by type, and by status, giving you more control over task management. Here's the Task Manager, the heart of the tool. Add tasks by filling in the details such as category, task names, deadlines, and owners, and then assign each task a priority level, urgent and important or less critical. This matrix helps you decide what to do now, what to schedule, what to delegate, and what to delete. At the top of each table, you'll see progress bars showing your completion rate for each one. You can also assign tasks to team members, making it clear who's responsible for what. The Calendar tab shows your tasks distributed across days. Select a custom start date, and then you can view any month you'd like. The calendar dynamically updates, making it easy to plan ahead or check your workload for specific weeks. This Guide tab is a helpful reference for understanding the task matrix categories. Your categories are do, schedule, delegate, and delete. This keeps you focused on high-impact work while avoiding unnecessary tasks. Think of it as your productivity compass. And that's it. With the Task Priority Matrix Pro, you'll be more organized, productive, and focused on what matters most. As I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in purchasing the planner, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like or subscribe if you found this video to be helpful to you. Cheers and have a great day.